I'm at the Southern Motorhome show in Newbury, and I'm here right in front of the Caravan radio stand, which is playing right now live music. Here is Spencer from said radio show, and can you tell me all about it, please?
Yeah, so Caravan Radio is a completely new radio station for the caravan and motorhome community. It's available online currently, caravanradio.co.uk. You can listen on your Alexa, your smartphone. You can listen on Google Assistant, Apple CarPlay, tune-in apps. You can download the Caravan Radio app from our website. So many different ways in which you can listen to take us out and about on your next journey or next time you come to a festival like this one.
What a brilliant show it was. Even the weather behaved itself, which, let's be honest, is a miracle in itself. There were stalls galore, selling everything from tent pegs to portable hot tubs. Basically everything you never knew you needed for your next camping trip. But let's not kid ourselves, the real stars of the show were the motorhomes and the campervans. Sleek, shiny new ones and a few seasoned veterans with plenty of character, all looking for new homes. On wheels, of course. The Caravan Radio team were out in full force, microphone in hand, chatting to stall holders and listeners. So if you said anything mildly embarrassing, chances are it'll be aired sometime this season. And yes, even Chris Tarrant dropped by to say hello, although sadly he wasn't scouting for his next radio DJ gig.
So this is Ads signing off for Caravan Radio at the Warner Motorhome show in Newbury. Check us out at the next show. See you there.